Okay, so this is the video to show a student how to complete this assignment. If they had missed it, they can come and watch this video. So to create a Pixton comic, the first step is to create an account and log in, and then click on New Comic. And the first step is to create a background. So I'm going to click here. There's a whole bunch of backgrounds. You can scroll through here or you can use keywords, but I'm going to set this comic at the beach. So this is my background, and if I want to change it from daytime to nighttime, I have that option. And you can also change it to a different color blend. But I'm just going to keep it regular old daytime. Okay, so once I have my background, the next step is to add characters. So we click on characters, add person, and they have basic generic people, which is not working right now. There are people from current society and history, and those are loading more. So I'm going to use Kareem Abdul-Jabbar as my example. And once you have him here, you can customize him. So I'm going to click add. Maybe. And then we can change his face. So we can give him different expressions, right? Because that's a main part of comics, is the expressions and the actions of people. So I'm going to make him kind of happy and talking. The other option you can do is if you want to turn him around, you click on there, and you can move him. Okay, so you've got one character, and then you can move their eye direction based on where you want them to be looking. But I'll keep it like that. And then you can also change his action, what he is doing. So maybe we'll have him kneeling on the sand. Okay, so then he needs to be talking to someone. So I'm going to add another person. And hopefully I will choose someone that will load because the program has been a little buggy the last couple days. So I will just pick this person and move her. Then I'm going to turn her around so that she can be talking to him. And then you can change the facial expression like I showed you, and you can also add objects. So a character can be holding an object. Give her a balloon. And then you can also add just objects and props on the ground in the scene itself. Once you add it, you can resize it. Put it over there. And I can add another one. Here. Stop there for now. So the next thing to do is to have them talk to each other. So we're going to go to words and speech. So it's already set as a speech bubble. If you want them thinking or shouting, you can use these other options. But I'm going to have her speaking, and she's going to say, Ernie, why are you so excited? And then it adds it right there. And you can move it around. And now I'm going to have him answer. So I click on this character, and then I click words. speech. And he's going to say, because I just bought this new canoe and I'm very excited. There. Okay, so I've got it set up. My next step is to add more frames to create the story. So to add more frames, you can click here and say duplicate panel. And the next one you see will be exactly the same as the other. And then I can just change what I need from it. You can also change the background and start from scratch as well. But this can be an easy way to get your story going more quickly. So she'll say, super cool. Can I go with you? And he'll say, sure, let's get to battle. There. And then, so we have our comic set up, but it's not too interesting if they stay exactly the same in different frames. So I'm going to move him and have him do a different gesture. That one's a little silly. Let's move it to this maybe. There. And she can be doing this. Okay, so this is a very basic introduction. This program is amazing because it has so many capabilities. You can customize just about everything you can think of. So I hope this basic primer has been helpful. Enjoy taking some time and exploring the program and seeing how you can best use it to tell your story. And if you have any questions, of course, you can email me. Have a great day.